everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Study with Monika. In today's French lesson, we are gonna do possessive pronouns in French. So our possessive pronouns are my, your, his, her, our, your, their, etc. But in French, they are like in English we just have, if it's my, we just say my. If it's then your, his, her, our, your, their, we simply say these words. We don't like differentiate the words if it's masculine singular or feminine singular or plural. We just say them. But in French, the case is different. In French, if you want to say my, we'll be having different words for masculine singular, different for feminine singular, different for plural. The same as with your. If you want to say your, it will be different for masculine singular, feminine singular, and plural. So now let's see what is the difference. First of all, my. If we have masculine singular, then we would say my as mon. M-O-N, mon. My in masculine singular would be mon. Feminine singular, if I'm saying my feminine singular, it would be ma. And if I'm saying my as plural, it would be may. M-A-S, may. So my masculine singular, M-O-N, mo. My feminine singular, M-A, ma. And my plural would be M-E-S, may. Next we have is your. Here also we have three different words for your, or I say three different pronouns for your, for masculine singular, feminine singular, and plural. Your masculine singular would be ton. T-O-N, ton. Your ton. Your feminine singular would be ta. So your feminine singular would be ta. And your feminine singular would be te. So let's see them again. Your masculine singular, ton. Your feminine singular would be ta. And your plural, in plural it would be te. Next we have is his or her. So if you want to say his, it would be son. S-O-N, son. If you want to say her, which means feminine singular, it would be sa. And if we want to say them in plural, either his or her, it would be say. So his, which is masculine singular, would be son. S-O-N, son. Her, which is feminine singular, would be sa. S-A, sa. And his or her, either of them, plural, in plural form it would be say. S-E-S, say. Next is our. So our, if either it's masculine singular or feminine, it would be notre. Our, either masculine or feminine singular, both, it would be notre. N-O-T-R-E, notre. Our in plural would be no. N-O-S, no. Now in our, your, their, our masculine singulars and feminine singulars would be the same. So our feminine or masculine singular, notre. N-O-T-R-E. And plural, no. N-O-S. Next is your. If we are saying someone your formally, so this your ta and te, this was your informally. But when we are saying someone your formally, or like someone to someone elder, it would be either voter or wo. So your, either masculine or feminine singular, would be your formally, either masculine or singular or feminine singular would be voter, and your formally in plural form would be wo, wo. So your formally masculine or feminine singular votre, voter, and your in plural wo, vos. Next is their. First we have lur. Lur is for both masculine and feminine singular. Lur, and for plural we have lur. So the pronunciation of all three is same, but the spelling of singulars and plural is different. So for masculine masculine singular and feminine singular, lur is L-E-U-R, lur. And for plural, their plural, it's L-E-U-R-S, lur. L-E-U-R-S, lur. Let's take a quick recap of all of these. My masculine singular, mo. My feminine singular, ma. And my plural form, me. Your masculine singular, ta. Your feminine singular, ta. And your plural, te. His masculine singular, son. Her feminine singular, sa. Either his or her plural, se. Our masculine singular, notre. Our feminine singular, again notre. And our plural, no. Your formally masculine singular, votre, as well as your formally feminine singular, votre, and your in plural form, wo. Their masculine singular, lur, L-E-U-R. Their feminine singular, lur, and their plural, again lur, but with an extra s, lur. So we have noticed the common thing with my, your, and his and her. Just till here we can see that we have just changed the first word, m, t, and s. Otherwise in end we are having on in masculine singular. In feminine singular, in the end we are just having a, and a. And in plural, es, and es. So we just need to remember m, t, and s. That's pretty easy to learn. So these were our possessive pronouns in French. For more French lessons, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.